So I turned on Spark. They gave me $15 1 mile. Let's go. Knock that bad boy out. $15 1 mile. Boom. After that, motherfucking Uber Eats wanted to come through. $10 2 miles. Buffalo Wild Wings. Let's go. I said I'd do that all day long. Pick that motherfucker up. Threw that motherfucker in the hot bag. Drove it to the location. Boom. $2.43. What the fuck? Hey, what the fuck my motherfucker $8 at, bro? That shit said $10. You know what? Pause. Let me go ahead and give them a minute. Because you know what? Sometimes it take a minute for the tips to roll through. You know, it don't be right away all the time. You know, sometimes it take a little minute. Pause. Hold on. What the fuck is this? $2.43? Where's my money, Uber? Because now you playing games. Now you playing games. Now you playing games, Uber. Okay? And that's that shit I don't like. Okay? I need that right away. Where's your e-scooter? It's in the back. What's your item to money when you shop? Ooh, that's a good question. So if I'm shopping and the order come through is $20, 2 miles, no more than 20 items. If it's $20, 2 miles, and it's 30 items, that's a no-go. Unless it's 30 individual pieces of cat food or something crazy, or like 30 packs of Kool-Aid. But I need the item to money ratio to be as close as possible. So if I see an order, it's a shopping order, come through $35, I'm not trying to shop for no more than 30 items, to be honest with you. I really don't care about the distance, because the distance should already be good if I'm already looking at the item count. You shouldn't even look at the item count if the distance is crazy on the shopping pay order. Now, it might be sometimes where the distance be crazy, but then it's just one item, and you be like, well, fuck. They giving me $35 to drive 12 miles, but it's only one item, so you know it's cool. Now, if it's $35, 12 miles, and it's 35 items, that's a no-go. But if it's $35, 2 items for 12 miles, I'm taking it. Because it's 2 items. No, I don't want to drive 12 miles, but it's 2 items. I'm walking in and I'm walking out, and I'm starting driving right away. Now, let's talk about some higher dollar shopping orders. You know, $70 shopping order, 150 items. You know, that's a no-tip offer. But if you got $70 shopping order and it's like, you know, 70 items or less, then that's a good order, I feel like, because if you getting 1-to-1 ratio for your item to money, that's good. Honestly, that's really good. Because then when you get a banger, you know, you might get like a $50 shopping order going 3 miles and it only have 20 items. I had an order the other day, $35, 3 miles, 20 items. The item count was lower than the payout, and the miles are super low too. So them shopping orders can really come in clutch. And then it'll be a lot of situations where you'll see a no-tip offer that has item count perfectly lining up with the payout. So it'll be 30 items, no tip, for $30. And the mileage will be 2 miles. So you're like, damn. If it's 30 items, I'm getting paid $30. It's only going 2 miles. As long as I'm getting 1 or 2 items per minute, I'm winning. Honest to God, and you're going to get 2 of them done in an hour every rip. I had an order the other day, $57. What was it? Where's my motherfucking phone? Matter of fact, it's on this phone. I might have even sent it over to this phone. Let me see. It was $57 for 3 miles, and it only had like 40 items on it. I said, let's go all day long. Soccer Pro. Let me see. Where did you ask? Soccer Pro. Soccer Pro. Soccer Pro. I don't see. What's up, J Beats? Somebody say my shoes is ugly. Them dad 3s. Yep. These are dad 3s. I got 3 kids too, so it's perfect. These is the dad 3s, and I got 3 kids. So that's how I know these is the perfect shoes for me. I don't need nothing more, nothing less. Because I'm not out here like that. I'm out here just enough to make this money for my kids. And for me to do what the fuck I want to do. Shoe my closet. I don't see what you said, Scooter Pro. You said hi. Guess I don't. How do I answer hi? You can't answer hi. That don't make sense. Make it make sense. You talking about Instacart? No, we're not talking about Instacart. We're talking about Walmart Spot. But the same apply. Instacart, you see a lot more worse offers though if you're not platinum cart or gold cart. I got motherfucking. I got Dookie yellow cart. That's what color my Instacart is. Dookie yellow. That means I get the worst of the worst orders. You like this shirt? I bought it at Walmart. Look. That's the Walmart Polo knockoff symbol. That's how you know right there. What time is it? 2:01. I ain't got no drinks in this car either, y'all. What is going on? Let me get caught up on chat. Matthew, what's up? Poppy, what up? Jameson, what's up? Jameson Noble, J Beats, Trill. Mellow Mixed Madness. I motherfucking love it.